Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're diving deep into the world of DIY tech. We're talking about 10 awesome hacks that'll let you upgrade your gadgets without breaking the bank. Whether you're a hardcore tech enthusiast or just looking for some clever tricks, I've got you covered. So grab your tools and let's get started. First up, let's talk about tablet stands. You know, those things cost like 20 bucks for a flimsy piece of plastic. Yeah, we're doing this one for way cheaper. I'm talking about grabbing some scrap wood, could be anything. Plywood, even that warped piece of 2x4 in your garage. Cut it to size, sand it down, maybe hit it with some paint if you're feeling fancy. Boom, custom tablet stand that's way sturdier than anything you can buy. Don't have wood, cardboard works too. Find a sturdy box, cut it into shape and use some duct tape to reinforce the edges. Seriously, you can find a use for duct tape everywhere. And the best part, you can customize the angle to your liking. No more neck cramps from watching movies in bed. Now let's talk about laptop overheating. It's a real pain, especially when you're pushing your machine to its limits. But before you shell out big bucks for a fancy cooling pad, hear me out. We're building our own using a simple fan, you know, one of those USB-powered desk fans. Perfect. Grab a piece of mesh or even a metal grid, prop it up on some books or a sturdy base and place the fan underneath. This creates airflow under your laptop, drawing heat away and keeping things cool. Plus, it's way quieter than those bulky cooling pads with their jet engine fans. Trust me, your laptop will thank you. Okay, let's talk about cracked screens. We've all been there. That heart-stopping moment when your phone takes a tumble, but before you run to the repair shop, listen up. A DIY screen repair kit can be a lifesaver, and it's surprisingly affordable. We're talking about a suction cup to lift the screen, some plastic pry tools to loosen the adhesive, and of course a replacement screen. Now, I'm not going to lie, this one takes some patience and steady hands. But there are tons of great tutorial videos online that'll walk you through the process, step by step, and the satisfaction of fixing your own phone? Priceless. Chapter 4. Battery-saving secrets unleashed. All right, let's talk battery life. We all want our devices to last longer between charges, right? Well, I've got some battery-saving hacks that'll blow your mind. First up, brightness. Turn it down, people. Your eyes will adjust and your battery will thank you. Next, disable those battery-hogging apps running in the background. You know, the ones you haven't used in months but are still draining your juice. And here's a pro tip, airplane mode isn't just for flights. When you're in an area with low signal, switching to airplane mode can significantly extend your battery life. It's like a little vacation for your phone. Chapter 5. Wireless charging upgraded DIY stand. Wireless charging is super convenient, but those charging pads can be a bit plain. And let's be real, they always seem to slide around your desk. So let's upgrade that wireless charger with a DIY stand. I'm talking about finding a cool box, maybe a vintage cigar box or a sleek wooden one, and mounting the charging pad inside. You can even drill a hole in the back for cable management. Boom, you've got a stylish and functional wireless charging station that's totally unique. Chapter 6. The homemade stylus, DIY precision. Ever wish you had a stylus for your phone or tablet, but didn't want to shell out for one? Well, I've got the perfect DIY solution. Grab a pen you don't use anymore. One of those freebie promotional ones works great. And remove the ink cartridge. Then take a small piece of conductive foam. You can find it online or at some craft stores and wrap it around the tip of the pen. Secure it with some tape and voila! You've got a homemade stylus that's perfect for taking notes, drawing, or even just navigating your phone with precision. Chapter 7. DIY speaker stand, sound boost, space saver. Let's talk about sound, specifically getting the most out of your portable speakers. Now, we all know that placing your speaker on a hard surface can make the sound a bit tinny. So let's build a DIY speaker stand to elevate those tunes, literally. PVC pipe is your friend here. Cut it to size, create a simple base, and you've got a sturdy stand that lifts your speaker off the ground. Want to get fancy? Use some spray paint to customize the look. Not only will this improve the sound projection, but it'll also save you valuable desk space. Chapter 8. Amplify your sound DIY phone amplifier. So you want to boost your phone's sound without any Bluetooth speakers or external power. It's time to go old school with a DIY acoustic amplifier. Remember those paper cup phones we made as kids? Same principle applies here. We're going to create a simple cone shape that directs and amplifies the sound waves from your phone's speaker. You can use cardboard, a plastic bottle, even a rolled-up magazine. Experiment with different shapes and materials to see what sounds best. It's a fun little project that'll make you appreciate the power of acoustics. Chapter 9, Gadget Glow Up DIY Custom Skins. Let's be real, most gadgets these days look pretty similar. But who says you have to settle for a boring, generic look? It's time to unleash your creativity with some DIY custom skins. Adhesive vinyl is your best friend here. You can find it online or at craft stores in tons of different colors and patterns. Measure your device, cut out the vinyl to size, and carefully apply it to your phone, laptop, or headphones. Want to switch up the look? No problem, just peel it off and apply a new one. It's like giving your gadgets a whole new wardrobe. Chapter 10. Cable Life Hacks DIY Cable Protector. Alright, let's talk about charging cables. They always seem to fray right at the ends, don't they? But before you toss them out and buy new ones, I've got a simple hack that'll extend their lifespan. Heat shrink tubing is your new best friend. It's this magical tubing that shrinks when you apply heat, creating a durable and flexible seal. Just slide a piece of heat shrink tubing over the end of your cable, apply heat with a hairdryer or a lighter, carefully, and watch as it shrinks to fit snugly around the cable. No more frayed cables, and your wallet will thank you. Outro, DIY tech hacks. Level up your gadgets. And there you have it, folks, 10 awesome DIY tech hacks to make your gadgets even cooler. From custom stands and cooling pads to screen repairs and battery-saving secrets, we've covered it all. Now it's your turn. Pick a hack, grab your tools, and start tinkering. You might be surprised at what you can create with a little ingenuity. And hey, if you try any of these hacks, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.